Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man, Big John Restoration, Virginia Beach. Got a 1965 Pontiac GTO race car. The car is known as the Jolly Green Giant. It came in needing a lot of body work, and a few parts was changed on it, such as now it has fiberglass doors, fiberglass hood, fiberglass deck lid, and fiberglass bumpers, just to lighten it up while the car goes down the track. It is a pro street car. We did the body work. The quarters had to be fully worked from front to back on both sides. The fiberglass doors had to be blocked down. The front end is not on it because the motor's getting ready to be put in the vehicle. Like usual, this is another one that's wet sand and buffed out. That's what we like to do to most of the vehicles that come out of John's Restoration. I'm going to come at you with another video once the car is fully put together and the motor's put back in and the front end's on. Like I said previously, we do any make, any model, any year, from motorcycles, cars to trucks. We do them back factory or we do them custom. We do collision work as well as paint work, as well as audio, as well as interior and tops. You can go on Facebook.com/John's Restoration and see all the before pictures of this particular vehicle. 1965 Pontiac GTO, known as the Jolly Green Giant. John's Restoration, 757-713-2277. Just to show you that we specialize in all kinds of vehicles, but we got a few older ones in the shop right now. I'm going to show y'all a couple of those. We got an 86 Monte Carlo right here. We're doing from front to back. As y'all see, we're doing this Monte Carlo complete. Every spot needs to be worked on this vehicle, and the vehicle is going black. This Honda Accord was vandalized. They broke out both back windows and stole the center console. So we're getting ready to replace that also. How you doing, John? How you doing, buddy? That little Ricky right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. John Restoration.
All day.
Yes, sir.
We got a 1970 Cutlass lowrider. This one was the one that came in gold. We got previous pictures of this one also. All the body work has been done. All the metal has been replaced that was rusted. And now it's in 2K primer, ready to be blocked down. We got a 1968 Chevy Biscayne. Took the doors off. My body man P is doing this project. As you can see, he got a lot to do on it. We got a welded floor pan. As you can see the rust holes in the floor. And we're doing a complete interior on this one. This one's getting a color change, an all black interior. As you see, we stripped the vehicles, so the bumpers, doors, everything is off. This one got a couple more parts to take off. Just another one that's going to be real nice for the shop. This is my '69 Chevelle. I can't seem to stay on it to get it done. Every time I get working on it, another project comes in. This is the one that is tubbed out. Yeah, this is my baby right here. I'm trying to get it done. But I don't know if it's a good luck charm or what, but every time I go to put my hands on it, the shop gets packed with customer work. You know, the customers come before my vehicles. We got a 1974 convertible Caprice belonging to my man Rick. We're going to shoot the door jambs on this one. Body work was done. We get ready to 2K it one more time and block it down and make sure it's right. This one's getting custom painted also. So I'm getting ready to do the door jambs now. Put the interior back in. Black with gray suede going on the inside. This is just a little preview of a day at John's Restoration. We got my son Tay, Nick, Big J that does all the audio. We got Pete, the body man, Jimmy, the body man, Mr. Lambert, Dez, and Rick. Just another full day at the shop. Can't forget my man Sterling over there in the suit. Remember, if y'all need something done, John's Restoration, 757-713-2277 in Virginia Beach. Any make, any model, from cars, trucks, motorcycles, we'll get it done for you. Good day.